So who out there feels like in 2025, you got to start making some real changes? Hi everyone, my name is Valerie Beck. I'm the founder of Intrepid Wellness, and I'm here to talk about New Year's resolutions. Who here makes some kind of New Year's resolution each year, but ends up dropping the ball on it, maybe even just the day after? If that's you, I totally get it. And I want to let you in on a powerful truth. You can do it, but you don't have to do it alone, nor should you. I'm here to tell you how to not only keep your New Year's resolution, but to completely smash it out of the ballpark so that you can make 2025 your year. I found that transformation, the real life-changing kind, is so much easier when you find a tribe that vibes. When you're surrounding yourself with like-minded people who are all rising to the same challenge, everything changes. The hard work becomes easier. And instead of just dragging yourself forward, you find momentum, encouragement, and connection with everyone else. Research backs this up. Studies show that people are 65% more likely to achieve their goals when they share them with someone else. And when they actively check in with a group or accountability partner, that likelihood of achieving your goal jumps 95%. That's the power of community, of a tribe that vibes. But I didn't always understand this power, and so I'm going to tell you a story. Back in 2017, my life had become a miserable mess, and I was stuck. I was living paycheck to paycheck, working low-paying jobs that were getting me nowhere. I was constantly anxious, so much so that my personal relationships, they started to suffer, and it really felt like no one wanted to be with me or around me. I was lonely, broke, and deeply unhappy. And I knew that something had to change, but I didn't know how or what I was gonna do. And then one day, I thought of this 10-day silent meditation retreat that I heard from a roommate of mine that she had taken to gain some perspective. So I went on the internet and I signed up for this retreat in the middle of the desert. But here's the thing, I also decided to do it over the holidays, Christmas into New Year. So while the rest of the world was enjoying their usual festivities, I was sitting in complete silence, reflecting on all the ways my life wasn't working. But on New Year's Day 2018, I walked out of that retreat with a completely renewed perspective, and this weight lifted off my shoulders. Because I realized I'd been trying to muscle through life alone, without asking for help or support, because I felt like I didn't deserve it. And I also saw how I'd been living by habits and beliefs that didn't serve me, most namely that I had to always put other people first, no matter how large the sacrifice on myself. So from that moment forward, I made this commitment that my well-being and healing would be my top priority. I would stop letting life happen to me and start creating the life that I wanted. Here's the thing though, even though I started alone in the desert, from that day forward, I didn't do it alone. Over the years, I found teachers and mentors who guided me. I found communities of people who were on the same journey of healing and growth. And I started small, building simple habits that became the foundation for everything I've achieved since. Today, I'm happy to say that while life still has its challenges, the work I've done has afforded me a life that I choose. I get to run my own company now, helping others transform their lives, and most importantly, I get to be the change that I wish to see in the world. And that all started with the choice to make myself a top priority and to stop trying to go it alone. What I've learned from my journey is that this lasting, transformative change boils down to these 3 B's. Be supported, be guided, be proactive. Being supported means that you don't go at it alone. Find people who are willing to rise to the challenge with you. A supportive community that can inspire you, keep you accountable, and remind you that you're not by yourself when you're doing all this work. 2 is to be guided. Find a mentor. Not just someone who tells you what to do, but someone who listens to you deeply, who understands your personal goals and unique values and guides you toward them with clarity and compassion. And finally, be proactive, meaning start small, but start now. Big changes don't happen overnight. And with simple habits that create a solid foundation for your wellness, you can see how those small steps compound into extraordinary transformation. So, if you're ready to make 2025 the year of your transformation, I want to invite you to join us for our New Year, New You challenge. What is that? It's a 1-week holistic wellness challenge where we work together to uplevel your mind, body, and spirit so that you are unstoppable for the year ahead. We'll lay the groundwork for lasting change with simple, powerful habits, personalized guidance, and a supportive tribe to cheer you on every step of the way. So, what do you say? Are you ready to transform your life for 2025 and beyond? If so, I invite you to join the tribe that vibes and sign up for the New Year, New You challenge starting on January 12th. Check out the details in the page below, and I hope to see you there.